So how we find the right creators for the right brand, we actually really want to dive in and know the ins and outs of the brand, who their target consumer is, what are those characteristics, quan qual, so their age, their location, their interests and hobbies. From there, we take those attributes and we leverage our proprietary software with our roster of creators to input those and bubble up the best options. Then also based on the budget that the brand has to use. Maybe they want to go after, a large hero creator, or maybe they want to target more micro creators or nano creators. Maybe they want a little bit of a hybrid of all to test to see actually what works. So we leverage all that data in-house and obviously listen to the brands and what they're doing and their positioning within the market compared to their competitors. And then hopefully we can find the right people within our creator network that would have the same kind of follower base of their target persona. If that content works well, we then find lookalike creators that are very similar. So then we can double, triple down if we find some of those insights or successes that are happening within the small test campaign.